Moi drodzy, lasery. Lasery, no cóż, trudno im odmówić piękna i uroku. Światło studyjne, oczywiście fantastyczne, ale laser, no sami zobaczcie. Ci, co widzieli ostatnią ramówkę TVN-u, mogli zobaczyć, co lasery potrafią i jak to może wyglądać. My dzisiaj jesteśmy ponownie na stoisku firmy Kvant, która no, jest liderem, na pewno niewątpliwie największym producentem najlepszym systemów laserowych na świecie. Moi drodzy, to co jest nowego, to ciekawego, dlaczego są najlepsze, powie wam już Jakub.
Hello everybody, it's Jacoby from Kvant Lasers and welcome to our booth at Prolight Sound 2023. It's great to see all your smiling faces after 1 year. We have 3 big new things here in our booth this year. And I would like to start with the first one, and that's the new Club Max. We brought here Club Max 24 and Club Max 40. Yeah, you hear pretty well. We were able to put 40 watts inside of this small laser. That was possible due to the latest improvement technology in laser world, in laser industry. Then the second, you can see on the top of our booth, there is an epic laser. It's called epic, obviously, because it's epic. I mean, the power output of that laser is 100 watts. To have ability to have 100 watts on the scanners, it's amazing. It's really great for aerial shows, outdoor shows, and etc. The third thing is probably the guys from the industry, they will know our housing for Spectrum and Atom. Last year we brought here Atom 42. Now we are able to put 58 watts inside of this chassis. This chassis is quite unique because it's made out of foam aluminum. The coating of the laser is also unique because it's also impossible to scratch because we used Raptor Linex color for that. We have a special feature which can be easily attached to Club Max series, so for Club Max 10 and above, and also for the beam brush. And it's micro-wheel grating set. What does it mean? Well, there is a lot of effects like marble, grit, line or oak. You can pretty easily swap those glasses, and this unit can be pretty easily attached to the laser projector. There is a magnetic shaft. So we will just connect it, screw those screws, and then the glass will be rotated. So you can get 1,000 more effects compared to regular lasers. You can control that from either from PC or from the MX console. Well, other than that, actually we've got also Logolas. Inside of Logolas, we can put the same insert as for Club Max. So we can have Logolas 3000, like 3 watts, goes all the way to 40 watts. It has an IP65 rating, which is great for permanent outdoor installation. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you and have a nice day.